Hello friends, this is Lani Hajinsu. Welcome to my channel that is all about enhancing what you have. Today we are going to review the lookATME Natural Bamboo Panda Face Mask. It comes in this white envelope with English and Korean instructions that are helpful for us international customers. It claims to be moisturizing and soothing, especially designed for dry skin. Formulated with bamboo waterlock complex, this mask sheet replenishes moisture that lasts while purifying the skin. This is me before using the mask. I have very dry and dull skin, as you can see. I have enlarged pores, blemishes, and pigmentation here and there as well. This lookATME mask smells like Lux soap, but the smell is very mild. In case if it would have been strong, I would be so annoyed. Unfortunately, I am sick from last 2 weeks. That's why I sound like this. So I'm sorry if my voice is annoying you. The essence in this mask is transparent and slimy to touch. It is not sticky, but it has a really thick consistency. It is a regular cotton sheet mask, but its adherence power on the skin is so good. Once you set it on the face, it doesn't budge at all. The essence in this mask feels lightweight and watery, but it is so thick that it does not even slides down from the skin.
I'm doing my work and the mask isn't moving at all.
So after 1 hour, that is how the mask looks on me. It has dried on my face completely from the sides and is coming off from there, as you can see. But its grip is so firm that it is holding it up on my face very well. There was no smell or fragrance lingering around the mask as I had this applied on my face. I feel a burning sensation on this side of my jaw. Other than that, since the mask completely dried on my face, I have the mask's folded line marks on my face that took around 4 to 5 hours to disappear, which was bothersome for me. Apart from all this, my skin looks visibly bright and glowy, isn't it? Before, my skin looked dull and the appearance of pores were prominent, but because it moisturized my skin so well, the appearance of pores looked smaller. It hydrated my dry skin pretty well without leaving any sticky finish, which I'm all in for. I won't say that it necessarily shrunk my pores, but my pores do look little unnoticeable than before. The little bumps and pimples on my face are still there, but their appearance have reduced, which shows that this mask calmed my skin at those places. Overall, I would rate this mask a 3.5 by 5, even though it nourishes the skin very well because it irritated my skin a little bit. Since I have sensitive skin, I would not recommend it for sensitive skin people at all. Yes, I love the results, but there are better masks out there. Now, if you like this review, then you have to give this video a thumbs up and comment too, as this will help my channel grow. Please support my channel. Bye!